Hi, welcome to my video. Today I want to talk about SIM cards. Now, you may have bought a phone like this which takes a large SIM card here, and we've got one here as well. Now, these are two different types. This one you kind of slide it in there, and this one you slide it up and you can't see it anymore. Now, this is the one that I'd be more careful with. Now, first of all, let me explain the SIM sizes. So you've got your traditional large SIM. So it's roughly 1.5 centimetre by centimetre. Then you've got the micro SIM, which is roughly half that size. And then you've got the nano SIM, again, which is half that size. So these are your three different SIM sizes. So this one is nigh on impossible to get these days. So if you haven't got an old SIM like this, you're going to find it very hard to get a large SIM. But you've got a large SIM phone like this one here. So normally if you've got a large SIM, you can put it in there and away you go. So that's very straightforward. Now you have to be careful when you use an adapter. I would say do not use an adapter. What happens when you've got a micro SIM like this and you put it through an adapter? It goes onto the adapter, it makes it slightly thicker. When you have it slightly thicker and you try and push it in there, this will get trapped and it will get stuck. And you see these little silver pins here, it will trap those pins. So when you pull it out, it will break the pins, you'll break your phone. So do not use an adapter. So what do you do if you've got a micro or a nano SIM? How do you resolve this issue? Now, what I recommend is you just go to Poundland or your supermarket and get yourself a pay-as-you-go SIM. Now, you don't want to use their SIM, so you get a pay-as-you-go SIM like this. Now, this is what's called a multi-SIM. So it comes in loads of different, it comes in the different sizes that you need. So this is your multi-SIM, it comes as a large SIM, and you just pop out the SIM size you need. So if I needed a micro SIM, I would use that and put that into my phone. Again, if I needed a nano SIM, I'd pop it out and that is what I'd put into my phone. Now we're not interested in this bit. So if we had a micro SIM, for example, like this, what we want is just that plastic surround. Now we get our micro SIM that we have, we put it in the plastic surround. So whichever SIM you've got, use the plastic surround that came with that throwaway pay-as-you-go SIM card, and then make it into a large SIM. So what that does is better than an adapter because you've got no gaps for the pins to get trapped in, and it's flush, so it's not thicker, it's not going to get trapped in your phone. So then you can just put it in your phone like so. Now an additional step that I would do also is perhaps put a little bit of tape on the back here so it can't pop out. So put a little bit of tape on the back so it won't pop out. So then there you go, you can push it in. Again, be very careful putting it in. You don't want those pins getting trapped. So when you get it out, just feel that it's not being trapped. Now, it's a bit tricky trying to do it with the camera as well. So let me just get something to pull it out. So a screwdriver, there we go. It will come out. Now, you've just got to be careful pulling it out because you don't want any of the pins to get trapped and pulled out. So again, if you had a nano SIM card, for example, as well, you just take their nano SIM card out, put it in the slot, make it all into a big SIM card, and then you can put it in the phone. So this one is slightly easier to put in because it's not sort of hidden away, so you can see if any pins are getting trapped. And again, once you've made it big, you can just slide it in and you've got a large SIM. So that is my recommendation and solution should you have a micro or a nano SIM but you've got a phone that takes a large SIM. So hopefully that will help you. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck.